number 1, algebra, number 2, real analysis, number 3, complex analysis. Hello everyone, my name is Samina. I am good and I hope you are also doing well. Today I will discuss the syllabus of Mathematics Optional of UPSC CSC. Here are the topics, let's have a look. Today I will discuss the paper 1 and paper 2. It is the paper 1 in which you will learn number 1 linear algebra, number 2 calculus, number 3 analytical geometry, number 4 ordinary differential equation, number 5 dynamic and statics, number 6 vector analysis. Now let's come on the paper number 2. In paper 2 you will learn number 1 algebra, number 2 real analysis, number 3 complex analysis, number 4 linear programming, number 5 partial differential equation, number 6 numerical analysis and computer programming, number 7 mechanics and fluid dynamics. Okay guys, it is the syllabus of paper 1 and paper 2. Okay, thank you so much. All the best. Happy learning.